Dear traders, this is Albert with Trading Diary, and today I would want to go over the trades that I executed last week. It was a small week, only losses, 5 trades overall, 4 trades overall, 4 losses, and I stopped trading for the rest of the week. Although there was an A+ setup on Friday on MRNA. Anyways, let's go over these trades. So as you can see here, I changed my trading journal again a bit. So for every day now, I will write the date, the day, and then the SA, and I have the SA before the market open, and then I will compare it with the actual market action and write a little comment about this at the end of the day. So on Monday, I traded Apple, STI, INFQ. These are 2 setups that I should not have touched, in fact. And Apple was a 2-inch setup, so I should have traded. So 2 losses that I could have avoided. And then on Tuesday, the FTX, which was also a setup. Then on Wednesday, no trade. On Thursday, no trade. Copy paste here. So Thursday, and then on Friday, again, no trades. Although MRNA and FSAL was on my watch list. FSAL both broke out. FSAL was not an A+ setup. MRNA was, but I did not take it because it broke out on a Friday, so I was cautious. I didn't want to hold over the 2 days of the weekend. And the other point was that I did not expect such a massive move. MRNA really moved a lot. So anyways, I was cautious. I didn't want to get in a position, so I missed it. It's all right. I'm still a bit bothered, but it is all right. So let's go over these. Apple on Monday should be here. Right, yes, Apple on Monday. So we had the move up, major pullback here on 3 very large red candles. First leg up, which is relatively nice with these black candles. It's not the best one. Then we had 2 days consolidation and then breakout here on Monday. False breakout, pullback, and I got stopped out. It is alright, was not the best setup. What I would want is this leg a bit steeper, higher price move, and these red days. I would want to have this red day within the pullback, and ideally I wouldn't want to see a red day. But it was alright. STI is a DEP, delayed episodic pivot setup. I gave it a go, although I broke my rules because I said that I wouldn't trade anything but 2-inch setups. So I broke my rule and I got stopped out anyways. So that's all right. So the news was some lithium metal battery technology, some new patent in this battery technology, which made it gap up from about 5 to 50 at the peak. Really nice. So STI and INFQ. So INFQ here on Monday. This is Tuesday here. This is Monday. Yeah, I should not have touched that. I don't know what I thought or what I did here. But this was Thursday, Monday. What did I do? Okay, now you see why it is good to take screenshots at the time of the breakout. So this is what I do every time. Every time the stock breaks out, I take a screenshot. Okay, so this is this is a, for me, support bounce setup. So here is support, and then it broke out, but it pulled back. Intraday, and I got stopped out here. Okay. So here you can see my trade the pool software. And here is my entry, my stop, which I drew manually. and I got stopped out, although it had follow through then here Monday, Tuesday for about 15%. Would have been nice, but it is what it is. Okay, although again I should not have taken INFQ because it is not the 2 Lynch setup. So it is what it is. And then on Tuesday I took DFTX. Oh, this is also I should not have taken DFTX, which is again a delayed reaction. Yeah, this was a bit of pain in the butt because I got in, as you can see here, 37.68 when I stop. I got stopped out intraday and then the next day gap up and move. So it was about 20% here to the highs from my entry. It is what it is. And here I always note down the news which it had, why the gap up happened. Okay, so DFTX. And then as you can see here, no trade on Wednesday, no trade on Tuesday, and no trade on Friday. So the market overall was pulling back. I always thought like here, this could be a pullback and a turnaround. So after this pullback, it could turn around here on Wednesday, what it apparently nearly happened. Then on Thursday, gap up, but sell off. And then on Friday, we had a really nice day at some point. And then later it pulled back again and it sold off just before the close. So the 2 setups that I did not take was FCEL. So this is rather a beautiful setup here. So first leg up, these could be a bit more regular, continuous buying coming in, then the pullback, and I did not take it. FCEL, because this candle I want it to be smaller, so open to close price smaller than 1%, but this one is about 12%, so I did not want to. This is too large for for the studying that I've done. It's another additional qualifier, so this day should be small. And then we got here the breakout, and the breakout was quite nice. And I saw it early since it was on my watch list, but I let it go. And the other one was MRNA. So they had some news update where they talked about the potential of their MRNA platform. And this is a really beautiful setup. Indeed. So we see this sideways consolidation here, then the leg up, pullback here, even the volume partially drops, and then very narrow days here. This one is like a 1%, this one is again 1%, and then here the breakout. And I also saw it and I hesitated a lot, but in the end I did not take it because I did not like the risk, right? So I saw it like really early. I saw it here, then I hesitated here. I thought, okay, let's get in, give it a try. But I think this is the rather right attitude. If there is a setup as beautiful as this one, next time I will take it. I mean, it cannot get better than this. Nearly. So next time I'll take it, and if it is a loss, it's a good loss. You know what I mean. It's a good loss, and I still have got like 3 or 4 trades that I should not have taken. So I swap the losses that I should not have taken against the losses that come with a nice setup like this. It will be a winner. Dear traders, that's it for me here. My overview over last week's trades. Only 4 trades, 4 losers. and 3 setups that are not my tradable setups at the moment. So 3 bad losses kind of, and 1 good loss. And I missed out on the opportunity on Friday on MRNA. It is what it is. I'm learning from it. I'm learning from a lot of my mistakes. And I'm getting better every week. And I see it in my equity curve. And I'm around nearly break even. So I'm looking forward to be break even one day and then a profitable trader. I wish you all a great trading week ahead. Take care and trade cautiously. This is Albert with Trading Diary. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.